Missing teen last seen on Boxing Day. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Nanda alert has been activated for 16-year-old Annalise Jones of 10th Street, Kingston 12, who has been missing since Boxing Day, December 26. She is of dark complexion and slim build. Reports from the Trenchtown police are that Annalise was last seen at home around 3 p.m. At the time, she was dressed in a black and white dress and white slippers. All efforts to locate her since then have proven futile, the police have stated. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Annalise Jones is being asked to contact the Trenchtown Police at 876-948-8243, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.